vastness of your creation, we find ourselves thinking of a piece of land that is sacred to many, Israel and Palestine. Today, with humble hearts and hopeful spirits, we approach you with a single, echoing wish: peace. For the people living the reality, God, you've seen the pain that's unfolded between Israel and Palestine. The suffering, the misunderstandings, and the heartaches have not gone unnoticed by you or by us. Today, we send out a fervent prayer to each person in these lands. For the mothers and fathers who've wept for their children lost to violence, for the youngsters whose innocence was taken away by the clashes they witness daily, and for the thousands who've been displaced, we lay them all at your feet. It's easy to get lost in the news headlines and forget that behind each one is a human story. Young children who just want to play in the sun, families who yearn to celebrate milestones without fear, and old souls who wish for quiet golden years. They are the beating heart of these lands. Please, God, shelter them. For every brave heart in Israel and Palestine, who, despite the shadows of history and conflict, believe that a shared sunrise of peace is possible, fortify their spirit, Lord. For the decision makers, leading isn't just about power. It's a divine responsibility. Today, God, we pray for the leaders of Israel and Palestine. As they stand at the crossroads of history, grant them the vision to see beyond the immediate, beyond biases, and into the hopeful eyes of their people. May their hearts be reminded that real leadership is woven with threads of sacrifice, understanding, and foresight. In their moments of decision, let them remember the love they have for their land and its people, guiding them beyond personal gains or political pressures. God, infuse their deliberations with wisdom. Let compassion be their compass, leading them towards choices that celebrate shared humanity and a brighter future. For the world watching, God, we're interconnected in ways we can't even fathom. As the world watches the journey of Israel and Palestine, may they not be mere spectators but pillars of support. Inspire nations and communities globally to bolster the path to peace in Israel-Palestine. Let them speak not in divisive tones, but with words that bridge understanding and solidarity. May their actions, resources, and prayers be a testament to a collective responsibility. Peace isn't a solitary journey. It's a communal promise we must work towards together. For a peaceful tomorrow, everywhere, God, our final prayer today is universal. Peace, not just in the valleys of Israel-Palestine, but in every corner of our world. Guide leaders worldwide to embrace dialogue over discord. May children in all ends grow in a nurturing world where diversity is an anthem of beauty, not a cause for division. Let the tales of strife be chapters we learn from, not narratives we continue. As we stand in this moment, with hearts open and spirits yearning, we ask you to transform our whispered hopes into tangible realities. Peace for Israel-Palestine, peace for all. As the day unfolds, let each of us be carriers of this prayer, and let our actions be the ripples of its echo. Thank you for hearing us, God.